Good evening. We are talking about millions and millions of dollars designed to influence who you vote for. It's the new normal here in Michigan politics, and the people writing the checks don't want you to know their names.
How do you judge a judge?
2014 was a great year for money in politics, and an even better one for secrecy. As the amount of cash infiltrating state elections keeps rising, it's becoming harder and harder here in Michigan to figure out where it's coming from.
Bill Schuette let them off the hook.
That's because ads like these, either praising or attacking a candidate for office right before election time, are given a special protection under the law. Called issue ads, they don't expressly tell you who to support, but they are designed to influence your vote. And about half the money spent on TV ads this election cycle is untraceable.
Zara has upheld tough sentences for sexual predators.
Secret donors who gave to the Republican Party spent $4.2 million for ads like these, portraying its nominees for Supreme Court as tough on crime. And in the race for Attorney General,
we're going to provide justice for
a shadowy group called Michigan Advocacy Trust put these commercials on the air, more than $2.5 million worth, that celebrated Attorney General Bill Schuette and pummeled his opponent, Mark Totten.
Is there anything he won't lie about?
Who gave money to the Dark Money Committee? What considerations were they looking for? What considerations might be granted? We just don't know.
Campaign finance watchdog Rich Robinson says secret donations are always troubling, but even more so when they could potentially influence judges or prosecutors.
You don't know who has an interest before the court after Election Day, and whether a judge can render an impartial judgment in a case involving one of their primary donors.
All told, it was Republicans who benefited the most from these dark money contributions in 2014, $7,268,000 in cash you can't trace. Democrats benefited too, but by only a small fraction, just under $500,000 in donations.
This whole phenomenon of dark money just undermines confidence in the impartiality of justice. And, you know, the whole purpose of the transparency is inoculation against corruption.
Now, these totals don't even include how much in secret donations were spent on the governor's race. Those figures are due later on this month and are expected to total more than $5 million. I'm Ross Jones, 7 Action News.